After an amazing birthday evening with lovely dinner and the sunset, it's now morning. We're gonna go explore Dubrovnik and we're doing a walking tour tonight because we love doing them and they're so good to get an understanding of the city history. Let's get this day started. We've decided to wander around this morning because it's very hot and very crowded. We'll probably head to the beach in a little bit and then we'll do the wall tomorrow after our walking tour tonight. Pretty spectacular. You can walk around on the lower half. Worth doing. Can't really beat this, can you? We had a lovely time at the beach and had a wonderful sandwich for lunch, and now we're gonna go do the walking tour. It starts at 6 p.m. It's actually 5:30 now, and we're gonna get there early because in Amsterdam we didn't get there early enough to check in and we missed our tour. So let's go. We chose to do this walking tour time just because as you can probably tell from the videos, it's really busy in town, and 6 p.m. seems to be potentially when crowds start to thin out, so hopefully that's the case. And also it'll be good to learn a lot more about this city's history and all the epic stuff that happened here. We're walking out the Pile Gate at the moment to go see our tour guide. It's a pretty epic city, surrounded by wall, very old. Don't really know much about it, but that's why we do these tours, to get a real lay of the land, and then tomorrow we'll probably do some more exploring on specific things that we actually want to see.
We're surrounded by two walls in Dubrovnik, the Great City Wall and the Great Tourist Wall.
Good morning from our final full day in Dubrovnik. We're gonna go get some coffee from what is supposed to be an excellent coffee place. I think it's a little pricier than normal, but I'll do anything for a good coffee. Just walking around town, it's definitely quieter at this time. It's about 8:30, so I'd highly recommend, if you want a slightly less touristy, crowded experience, to venture out in Dubrovnik before 9 a.m. How are you, Tom?
I'm good, thank you.
We are heading up the wall. We got the Dubrovnik Day Pass, which is 40 euros, or you can pay 40 euros for the wall entrance, which doesn't seem worth it, so you may as well just get the pass and do what you want. And if you use it, great. If you don't, you would have paid 40 euros anyways. Quite crowded. We're going at just before 11 and the sun is blaring. It's very hot. Going this way instead.
Pretty high up.
After another wonderful day in Dubrovnik, we obviously climbed the wall, and then we went to swim at two different spots, so one right outside the wall and one at the beach that we were at yesterday. And now we're just watching the sunset on our final night here before we head home. Would I recommend coming here? Absolutely. It's really cool to be in a city that is still very much intact and quite medieval. Is it a tourist trap? Yes. There are definitely some really good restaurants that you can take advantage of, but the prices are hectic. But yeah, you should definitely check it out.